Assalamualaikum and hi, greetings to Suryazid bin Sarkom. We are delighted to share our presentation video for BSR656 Building Control 3, Strata Title Management Issues located at Suryajaya Community Mall, Shah Alam. Specifically speaking here, I am Nur Isma binti Ismani representing my team members alongside our dedicated team which is Ibnu Hanif Fatah bin Suhairi, Muhammad Ilyasa bin Musadat, Nur Shakira binti Sapri and Khairunisha Najwa binti Sabri.
Strata scheme involves the development of a buildings or land divided into parcel, accessories parcel and a common property. It includes various types of residential units such as flats, apartment, condominium, townhouses and landed houses within gated communities. Ownership and management are structured through a strata management system. Meanwhile, let's move forward to building defects. A building defect refers to any imperfection, flaw or failure in the construction, design or material of a building that deviates from the intended standards or expectation. This defect can occur in a various component of a building and may impact its structural integrity, functionality, safety or aesthetic appearance. Maintenance in a strata building also can be defined as an ongoing effort and activities undertaken to preserve, repair, ensure the proper functioning of the common property, individual units, and shared facilities within the strata or the condominium communities. So, now let me introduce to you the background of this apartment. This apartment called Suryajaya, also known as a Suryajaya ISO4. It is a freehold mixed retail. This apartment is located in Padang Jawa Section 16. Suryajaya Community Mall is developed by NQB Capital Sendirian Berhad which built on a 2 acres freehold land. The address of this apartment is Padang Jawa, Section 16, 40200 Shah Alam, Selangor. There are 77 shop office and 480 Soho units available at this property with build up from 430 SF to 839 SF for Soho units. It easily accessed via Federal Highway, direct bus stop and walking distance to KTM Padang Jawa. This building project completed in 2016.
Today, we delve into the different structural concerns at Suryajaya Community Mall in Shah Alam, namely leaks in the parking space, a crack on the basement, surau wall, and a crack in the tile flooring on the 13th floor. Let's begin with the identified leaks in the parking space as illustrated in the attached image. This issue is pervasive, impacting various areas and presenting imminent risk to both structural integrity and visitor safety. These leaks emanate from the HVAC system attributed to issues such as condensation or water leaks. Prolonged exposure may compromise the infrastructure, leading to damage in floors, walls, and support structures. Additionally, accumulated moisture can foster mold growth, posing health hazards and diminishing air quality. Transitioning to the crack in the tile flooring on the 13th floor. This issue has implications for both aesthetic and structural robustness. The occurrence is localized to specific floors. Structural movement or settling within the building has induced stress on the subfloor, resulting in extensive tile cracking. This situation requires careful examination and strategic remediation to restore the property's visual appeal and structural soundness.
Next, I will present about Act 757 and Related Act. For Related Act, Building and Common Property, Maintenance and Management, Act 2007, Part 5. The Building Maintenance Fund shall be used solely for the purpose of, first, ensuring that the common property of the building is in a state of good repair and maintaining the common property. Second, paying for the expenses incurred in providing cleaning services for the common property, security services, and amenities for the occupiers of the buildings. Next, carrying out inspection of all electrical wiring systems of the common property and replacing any fault wiring systems. Then, carrying out inspection, maintenance, and repair of the main water tank. Next, Act 757, Strata Management Act 2013, Chapter 2. It only be used by the developer solely for the purpose of meeting the actual or expected general or regular expenditure necessary in respect of the following matters, such as maintaining the common property in good condition on a day-to-day basis.
Next is solution to reduce defect in strata building. The first one is leaks in parking space. Immediate action. When dealing with leaks in parking spaces, swift and decisive action is paramount. The immediate step involve containment. First and foremost, we'll take measures to contain the issue. This might include setting up temporary barriers to prevent the spread of water and minimize damage to adjacent areas. The second one is addressing immediate sources. Identifying and addressing immediate sources of water ingress is crucial. Whether it's damaged pipe, faulty seal, or other issue, we take action to stop the water intrusion at its source. The professional assessment. To ensure thorough understanding of the situation, we will engage qualified professionals with expertise in building inspection and waterproofing. Here's a breakdown of this process. The first one is qualified professionals. We will enlist the services of building inspectors and waterproofing experts. These professionals bring specialized knowledge to assess the situation accurately. Second one is thorough assessment. The professionals will conduct a comprehensive assessment of the leak. This involves identifying the source of water intrusion and determining the extent of the damage. Their expertise allows for a detailed examination, ensuring no aspect is overlooked. The second one is crack floor title. Notify owners and residents. Transparent communication with owners and residents is key to fostering trust and keeping everyone informed. This involves clear communication. Provide clear and transparent communication about the issue. Inform owners and residents about the assessment findings, outlining the reasons behind the cracked floor tiles and any potential implications. Plan corrective measures. Clearly outline the planned corrective measures, whether it's repairs or replacement. Keeping stakeholders informed about the next step demonstrates a proactive and responsible approach. Implement repairs or replacement. Once the assessment is complete and communication has been established, the next phase involves addressing the issue. This includes professional repairs, engage licensed contractors with expertise in tile repairs. Professionals can accurately assess the damage, recommend the appropriate repairs, and execute the fixes with precision. And lastly is the replacement. If necessary, in some cases, replacement might be the most viable solution, especially if the damage is extensive or if the tiles pose a safety risk. This involves carefully removing the damaged tile and installing new ones.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ibnu Hanif. Okay, for next part, I will talk about maintenance requirement for leaks and defects in strata buildings. Okay, first, which is duty to investigate. It's one of the requirements for maintenance in strata buildings. It is an inspection to identify the cause of leaks and defects in strata building should be conducted within 7 days from the issuance of notice. The Commissioner of Buildings, which is COB, will design a qualified professional such as registered architect, engineer, quantity surveyor, or building surveyor to assist in determining the cost. The cost associated with the appointment will be covered by the party accountable for the leak or damage. Okay, second, which is duty to respy. The entity identified as responsible by the management or commissioner or buildings COB is obligated to initiate all essential actions and measures for the rectification of leaks and defects in strata buildings within 7 days upon receiving from 28. Okay, now for the conclusion. Neglecting maintenance of leaks and defects in strata buildings over time can exacerbate the damage, posing potential dangers to building occupants. Hence, if it's crucial to remain vigilant about identifying and addressing leaks and defects in strata buildings while understanding effective maintenance solutions to mitigate these issues. Thank you.